Welcome, lovely one, to the Maths Made Easy tutorial videos with me, Anthony L.C.M, popularly referred to as Sir Tony, the Mathematics Doctor. In this video, I am going to teach you how to find LCM. That is to say, finding the least common multiple of numbers. Now let us get into the video. In mathematics, there are several methods for finding the least common multiples of numbers. Now in this phase, I am going to show you how to find the least common multiples of numbers using the multiples of the numbers. So let us see how to find LCM of numbers using the multiples of the numbers under phase 1 in this particular video. Let's now take our first illustrative example. The question reads, find the least common multiple or LCM of 2 and 3. Now we are supposed to find the LCM for the number 2 and then the number 3. Let us get into the solution. Now to solve this, we first of all need to get the multiples of 2 as well as the multiples of 3. But please let us begin with the multiples of 2. Now to get the multiples of 2, let me explain in two different methods. Number 1, you have to multiply the number 2 by all counting numbers and produce the answer. For example, multiples of 2 can be 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, and so on. How did I get that? Now, 2 times the first counting number, which is 1. 2 times 1 will produce 2. 2 times 2 will produce 4. 2 times 3 will produce 6. 2 times 4 will produce 8, and so on. So if you multiply 2 by all counting numbers, you can produce these multiples of 2 up to 24. Now, another way you can also get the multiples of 2 is by adding 2 to itself till you get the numbers you want. So this 2 as a number plus the first number 2 will give us 4. Now 4 still plus 2 will give us 6. 6 plus 2 will give us 8, and so on. So these are the two methods for finding multiples of a number. Let us now get to find the multiples of 3. So multiples of 3. Now the same procedures or the same procedure to find the multiples of 3. So the multiples of 3 will now be 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30, and so on. So now that we have the multiples of 2 and the multiples of 3, let us go ahead and get the common multiples of 2 and 3. What is the meaning? Common multiples will be the multiples or the numbers in the multiples that appear in both situations. So there are numbers in the multiples of 2 that can still appear in the multiples of 3. So that situation is what we refer to as common multiple. Let us find the common multiples for 2 and 3. Now, common multiples for 2 and 3. Let us see. The common multiples for 2 and 3 will be equal to 6, 12, 18, and 24. So we have a lot of them, but these are the ones that are shown clearly. Let's see how it is. 6 can be found in the multiples of 2, and 6 can still be found in the multiples of 3. We have also 12 found in the multiples of 2 and can still be found in the multiples of 3. 18 can be found in the multiples of 2, and 18 can be found in the multiples of 3. Finally, 24 can be found in the multiples of 2, and then 24 can be found in the multiples of 3. So they are referred to as common multiples because they are common in the multiples of 2 and still common in the multiples of 3. Now that we have the common multiples, we can go ahead and find the least common multiple, also referred to as LCM. Now the LCM for 2 and 3 will be given as LCM is equal to 6. Why 6? Because the least of all the 4 common multiples so far is 6. So since 6 is the least among the common multiples, then we can conclude that the LCM is 6. So the LCM for 2 and 3 is 6. Let us take another question which reads, find the LCM of 6 and 8. So let's now get into the solution. In the solution, we first of all have to get multiples of the two numbers. So first of all, the multiples of 6, and they are 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, 48, 54, 60, 66, 72, and so on. So these are the multiples of 6. Let's get the multiples of 8. So multiples of 8, they are 8, 16, 24, 32, 40, 48, 56, 64, 72, 80, and so on. Since we have the multiples of 6 and we have the multiples of 8, we can get the common multiples of 6 and 8. Let's see the common multiples. So common multiples of 6 and 8 are, we have 24, 48, 72, and so on. From here, you realize that 24 is in the multiples of 6 and 24 is still in the multiples of 8. 48 is in a multiple of 6 and still in a multiple of 8. 72 is in a multiple of 6 and still in a multiple of 8. So these are the common multiples so far. Now, once we have these three as a common multiple, the list of the common multiples will be 24 because that is the least among the three numbers. So therefore, we can conclude that the least common multiple, which is the LCM of 8 and 6 or 6 and 8, will be equal to 24. So the least common multiple in this question is 24. So this is how we find the least common multiple using the multiples procedure. So please understand this. You can pause the video, go through it well, and get massive understanding. Now let us take this one as your trial work. Please find the LCM of 3, 6, and 8. That is the least common multiple of 3, 6, and 8. Please drop your answer in the comment section or put your answer in the comment section. And please let us know which of the mathematical terminologies or mathematical topics you want us to record a video on. Let us know that in the comment section. Thank you for watching this video. We will see you in the next video. Thank you very much, and God bless you all. Please subscribe to this channel and don't forget to click on the bell icon to be notified anytime we upload new videos. I hope you understood and enjoyed this video. Don't forget to leave a comment, like, and share this video. Thank you, and God bless you all.